Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. We try that again. We had a little technical failure going on. Hey, how's everybody doing today? Nice to see you. Let's head over to the trade room. I'm going to show you some cool things on why traders fail and how to avoid it. Got some good things happening right now. Over to my watch page, make sure I'm live. Got an ad running right now, ends in 2 seconds. Just go live. Very interesting day today, folks. It went off the air, so now I got to get back on the air. My screen's not refreshing. I love it when you have technical difficulties. All right, I'm live. Cool. What's going on, everybody? Showing you on today's show why traders fail, how you can avoid it. Some pretty interesting things happened today in the Mojo room, I must say. My platform was down, so I had a trade today with this. Move this down so you can see it. Okay, you can see above my scrolling bar, I'm on Yahoo Finance. And I have AKTX 212, AMD 3135, Alta 237.81, Lulu 186.63, SFUN, and MTC. Alta right now long 237.74 stopping station. I don't have to look at the charts. We just trade. So I'm going to put this pick in right here. 237.74 long entry on Alta back to 240 and trading only off the system and the numbers, completely blind. I'm trading, and I'll show you how we started the day and what's been happening, how I've been doing it. So I'm on Alta right now. It's 237.34. We're waiting for it to drop under 237 to do anything else. We just got a little entry on it. Got to add only higher. So I'm going to scroll back in the beginning of the day right here and show you exactly how we traded Alta. And if you would have been able to follow along, I was trading blindly all I was doing was watching the prices. That's 203, 31.34, 237.45, 138.60, 212, and 407. Trading strictly according to price only. Looking at zero charts. And you could see me posting the screenshots in the room on the microphone, calling out the trades to all the traders. So right here, it's 9:25 a.m. and since my platform was down, Hurricane Dorian's already messing with my platform. S&P futures were up. So I knew it wasn't a time to get involved with UVXY just then. I wanted to wait a little bit. So PRTK looking for the opening trade right there at 753. If it drops, we go 727 to 32 for entry 2, 718 to 22, and then we add back up at 729, selling 44, 54, 64, etc. See how high it pops on the open. Could be the 790 through the 8 pop. And the pop this morning was AKTX and PRTK. And then there it goes right there. 217 in the pre-market, so we're going to go 215 to 220 entry. Number 2 lower at 202 to 207. Higher we add 221. We're selling 229 3/4 and then 34.39 higher the rest. And now the 2-minute warning happens and we're off. We're in 214, 219 adding. Here it goes, 222, 223, 227, 228. Sell half into the surge. We sold half, 228. We're rebuying back 10 cents off the top, which would be 221 to 218 on the bid only. Then we bought 27, 28, 29 with size at 18, so we were going to wait for 18, waiting for 18. Otherwise, we wait until 18, and there it goes. We're in 222, 225, 226, all the way back up. We're selling here at 37, 36, sold. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. I'm trading blind only off those top numbers. So right there, we've got no one's in. We're all out of it yet. So now we go in again, 235. It's holding in 240. And then we're looking at right here, 243. So here comes Akari. We're in UVXY for a Heinz 31. Here comes Akari, 222, 225 entry. We're adding 29 and selling 34. UVXY 3094, adding 96.98. Here goes UV through 31 and Akari through 229, trading blind. Sick calls. Sold Akari, UV right into Heinz. Akari's going through 230 right there. Beautiful. Trading like great. Bingo through 2. It went through 2, but not much. So there's UV 31.01. Buy only went to 203. Then we're into Ulta. Watch how I traded Ulta from this point on as soon as Dave mentioned it. And we did a little trade on you guys, but watch. You ready? Ulta, 246, trading it back to 250, risking 25 cents to make $3. 245 to 25, long 50 shares, adding 50 shares at 244.79, risking 50 cents from here. Here it goes, 245, 245.50, sell. Great trade, almost $1. Then we're going to rebuy it back at 244.63, selling through 245. Here it goes, 245.30, 245, added right now, telling everyone add more shares at 245, selling here, 245.50, 245.70 right there. Beautiful. Raise your stop to 245, you can't lose. UV retraded again at 30.90. It went to 32 UV. Right, who made money on the trade? We're going to rebuy it right now at 244.18 down to 244.02. There it is, 242.66, and UV's 31.10, risking 50 cents on Ulta right there, 241.07. Selling it right there at 242.88. Almost a 3-point move. Sold. Then we did 241.99, adding into 242 right here. Half sold, 242.54. Rebuying 241.15, adding 241.23, selling 242.28, 242.77. Sick trading, and I didn't look at the chart once. All I was doing was exactly looking up right here at 237.35. Looking up at the top lines, and that's all I was doing, was just watching it from here, trading off the numbers. Where's the number going to or coming from? And that's it, trading only price and momentum. So we're flat at 243.63. It's 237 now. It's 6 points difference from that trade. Excellent. Wow, the amazing Mojo. Great. This guy's doing some puts. Selling some puts. 244.44. Beauty. He's selling some puts. 50 shares. We're winning. 247.39, we're flat. 6 point trade. Phenomenal trading today. And I wasn't even looking at any of the charts. There's no platform fees involved with what I'm doing off Yahoo. Trading just price. And yes, it's awesome. SFUN, okay? I like SFUN, I said. We're going to get in 248, 250, 254, 257, 258. Great pick, Dave. The power of the mini Heinz, which he's learning. Then we're selling Ulta. Long pop at 243.77 right here, 243.80. Sell. 21 out of 21 trades correct. It makes no sense that we have 17 people in the room now and other rooms have 1,700 people or 107. It's just crazy. We do this every single day. You can look back every day on my 1,700 videos that I've made. If you like the videos, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe in the bottom corner down here so when I go live, you'll get notified. But in the meantime, we're like a pack of wolves, man. 243.55 right there. SFUN's 268. Thank you, Dave. Great pick. Great pick. 242.96 right here, adding down here at 51. Selling at 243.13. 243.48. 22 out of 22 trades. Let's enter the 23rd trade right here at 242.82, adding lower at 242.20 and 241.40. Holding right here. We're going to bump it. Don't get shaken out. We're adding even more, 241.40. Here it goes, 242.50, 242.60. Boom, right there into 60. Great trade. Right back up from 240 and change to 243 almost again. Then we got it again, 23rd trade in a row, 21.40 right there, adding it 21, 241, selling it right here, 241.77 and 243.50 on Ulta. Then crazy call on Ulta, 244. There it is, 24 out of 24 trades with a record day. Record day. Nasdaq's flirting with the red. Then we got to go into UVXY, pop it long. There you go. Boom. Ulta making money right there. The Greek, $3 grand, whatever. Allen making money, 245 it's at right now. Flat here, great trade from 241.77 to 245.36. Great job. And then from 245, I waited all the way down to 241.28 with an entry long down here for an entry. Sold it up with the UV at 32.07. And bam, we're just nailing it. In a single tweet, I can destroy the market and an entire portfolio. So great job, everybody, with that. This was my tweets from yesterday. 241.38 sold, and then we're right here again at 237.74, and then the 50 range. And right now, from that last call, we are at 237.55. That's a complete recap of the day. Well, thank you much. I also found in my email the way I helped Dave the other day, and this goes for all the traders. So this was to a Dave. Lower it a little bit. So he sent me his review sheet, and as a new trader, you send me your trade logs, and I review them. It's one of the things that I like to do, helping the traders. This is how I did that with him right here. So he sent me his trade log right here, and I did trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 right there. And you could see the first one, I'll read it. He did 1,000 shares at 593, bought 2,000 at 599, and sold 3,000 through Hines at 602. Number one is a good Hines trade. So he's trading that with us. Then he goes 2,000 buy at 572. It's too many shares on the entry. Should have done 500 there, seen which way it goes. If it goes higher, add, lower, wait. So why take such a big loss down 50 cents? They shook you out at the stopping station. It went right back up where you bought again. You should have sold when it didn't hold 70 and it broke 51 when it went to the next stopping station at 27 to 32. Stay away from the stoppers and do the Hines only. So he went right here at 72. Then he went 3,500 down here at sold it at 526 to 28 and took a big loss, which was the stopping station. He should have sold it at 51, rebought at the stopping station, and it held 25, and he sold it back. He bought again at 45, so it went higher there, and then he bought again at 60. So he did a mini Hines 50, and he bought at 60 where he should have sold from 27 to 32. And then it really rocketed. He made money again through Hines. He bought again at 626. So these trades and this one little not doing the stopping, not staying away from the stopping station, caused him to miss this biggest trade right here, number 7, which was the 590 blow through to the 626 where he bought, and then it would have rode it up to 676. And this last trade, 7 and 8, would have been the biggest trade of the day for him. So that's how that worked right there. And I helped him through the trading. He's getting really, really good right now. He's trading like a pro. So it's 237.72. We're going to add a 237.90 right here. Adding 237.90 for the blow through. Boom, there it goes, guys. Great trade right here happening on the Ulta through the blow through of 238. 237.99. Here it goes. 238. Here we go, guys. Great trading. Again, this would be trade 25 out of 25 today, only on this. And if you would have filled out the tracking sheet and watched the perfect trading system video, as I showed in the thing yesterday, Scott, Allah, this is for you, bruh, right here. You would have nailed it, dude. Doing 20 trades, you would have done, let's say, right here, I'll show you. Let's say we did, you nailed your 20 trades today in Ulta, which we did, and you made on 500 shares 50 cents, $250. But let's say you even cut it shorter and you averaged $150 per trade. We did 20 of them. That's $3,000. I was right on 20 out of 20, so you would have made $3,000. Let's say you messed up a couple and you did 15 correct and 5 wrong. You lost $750 or even $1,000. Let's say you let a $200 loss on the losers, but you won 15 times on 150, which is $2,000. So you still came out $1,000 plus on the day, and you took 5 losers of $200. That's your game plan, Scotty G. That's it. You can't not do it. It's a hard stop hotkey. You press it in, the hard stop goes in after the scale. Risk reward, risking 30 cents, risking 50 cents to make $1, to make $2. 238.20. Selling a little bit here, guys, on Ulta through Hines. 238.20, 238.50 into 239. Holding a little bit for 240. But taking some profit right now, lowering the cost basis on the original position at 237.75 to 237 with very, very little risk. So here it goes, 238 change. Nice. So I could see Akari's 205, AMD 3146, Lulu 183.72, SFUN 212, MTC 403, and just staying on Ultra 237.91. However, it just printed 238.04. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see what's happening on a Crippy. Subscribe in the meantime if you want, right down there. So that's how you're going to avoid making the losses, Scotty, and the rest of you traders. Want me to show you again? Look, you take the tracking sheet. Desktop. Here it is. View large. So you take your tracking sheet right here, and you put today's date, and you're right. symbol, Ulta, shares, 500, 300, whatever you want to. This is the perfect stock. So you can't trade it for the TFS system. Just with a regular level one account of 80,000 in buying power, dude, 80 grand, 80,000 divided by 237, you can get 300 shares of that sucker easy. Easy. Right there. There you go, 200 shares, 100 shares. Thing was moving dollar bills like crazy, y'all. Throwing dollar bills at you, filling the entry price, the exit, and you did 22 out of 22 of them. You filled in your sheet. That's how it works. Dude, it's one system. Dude, let me show you this. This is, look. He's calling it the dollar ace. I mean, dude, it's called the freaking snapshot, the options gladiator. I mean, every month these guys come up with a new name for like the same shit. And he's doing options now, huge options, huge profits. Dude, option traders lose 9 out of 10 times, bruh. It's the most hardest thing to do and to understand. What happened to Mr. Biotech breakouts, man, and Mr. Specialist and the bio? It changes every month. And I watch because I'm giving my courses away for free. For free. Jason came on yesterday on YouTube, and he's giving his courses away for free. Now, if I was one of those mastermind students that just paid in the last several months thousands of dollars from the webinar, I'd be pretty damn pissed that it's for free now. You know what I'm saying? My people can't care because, dude, they took it 5 years ago. I can give them anything for free. I don't care. I don't want it. But dude, that one, look, 238.31, guys. Beautiful trade. Have a good weekend. Nice. Nice. Short at what? No, we're going long all day. I'm 24 out of 24. Not 25 out of 25. All long. No shorts. 25 out of 25. 28.40 now. Told you that was a good one, right? Trail stop 238.10. Let her go, baby. Ride her up. So there we go. Beastly. So now, that's their latest strategy, the biotech freaking breakouts. Dude, you won't believe how many times they changed that strategy. And I'd be pretty pissed, man, that it changed all the time, every single month. And the last couple months, I paid them big dollars. Let's see what they got. Go back. We're shaking up Walsh. It's called biotech breakouts right here. See, biotech breakouts. So that's the first one. They got the biotech breakouts. Trading games changing. I'm the biotech king. And then they come up with this. It's called Ignite. Profit buckets. Introducing the Ignite system. Let's see if the page is still live. Yeah. So it's called the Option Rocket. That's not new one. Now, what happened to the Option Rocket, man? The Option Rocket is no longer 239.03, 239.15. Sell another little piece, 239.63. Sell here, guys, 239.90, 239.90. Sell here, sell here, sell here. Great trade, man. Great trade. Look where I gave that one, guys. And you've been on with me the whole time. You said, Mike's, I'm on the money. Look at the money I just made with Mike. I can go join his chat room now and get his courses for free and start watching. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 237.74. See? Back to 240. That was the call. And right now it's 239.88. Okay, so guys, Mojo's real deal. I would have told you to take the loss. If it went down, we would have repriced it. That's how we do it, Scott G. We would have repriced it. And we'd be trading it at 236 and 235 to sell at 237. And there you go. That's how it works. So I'll change your game. I'll help you. You just have to ask. So yeah, they had that Ignite. That was crazy. And then they got the after that one, what else was the next one? Oh, it's called the Heist. The $100,000 Heist. They changed the name. Then they called it that one. The 100K Heist. All right. Now what's the next one? And that was in August. That was August, the Heist. And then what else? My Strategy Works, the Heist. The Heist. And then they just kicked off a new one. The new strategy. Jeez Louise. $72,000 in 30 minutes. Dude, see? Look. $72,000, dude, on an Amazon option. You freaking kidding me? You know how much money you have to put up to try to make $72,000 on an option, an in the money option that expires in, oh, they gave it till October actually. But you know how much money you got to put in to make that? Absurd. Every day it doesn't go in your favor, it just ticks away and you lose and you lose and you lose. Absurd. And then they showed this one of 1,552% gain. Right here. The $1.15. They're just doing a lot of options. Options, dude, will take you quick, man. Will take you quick. Here's another one. That was last year, 2018 in August, the options rocket. So they changed it. What else they got? Options, still option rocket. Here, weekly, then they changed it to the weekly windfalls. This was in July of 2019. And then after that change came the big announcement. And geez, let's see if we can catch a YouTube video where he's just giving it away right now. Great trade on Ulta, guys. Let's watch a video. JB. Nope. Refresh. There's JB.
What is up, y'all? I am still injured right now with cracked ribs, so I am going to do
I got the same thing as him, a cracked rib.
A while back for my video called Still Gonna Send It last year. I will link that video below in the description.
He did a good video yesterday. Look at his yesterday. Let me show you. This one right here. I watched one of them. It was really good yesterday. Those videos. It was West ATX.
270 out. Yeah, quick front lit. Up there, ride around and do some POV laps for y'all. And yeah, hope y'all like that.
He's badass, guys. He's cool, badass. He's badass. So his name is JB O'Neill, and he's going to give you his point of view. First, he's going to go get all the obstacles wet, and then he's going to kill him.
All right, we are out here at West ATX. I'm just going to get all the features wet, and we'll just cruise around and hit them. I'm going to start off with this double rail feature. I'm going to do like a quick ollie blind before it, unwind 180 on, and then I'm going to try the banana slide 270 out. Off to a pretty good start. Got a 50-50 in the incline back three. I'm going to hop up from the side, back lift, back nut. And then maybe even a quick front three on the rooftop. This blue pipe is really tricky, but I'm just going to try a 50-50 through the key, and then back one out.
Beautiful.
So same thing on the double pipe, but I'm going to unwind 270 on the up. I'm going to edge really hard over this blue pipe. It's super blown out of the way, and I'll just do like a switch front lift. 270 out.
Nice. It's so
Same
smooth.
thing on the double pipe again, but I'm going to try and like front board banana.
Woo!
50-50, front three out on this incline.
Nice. So that was he was riding with David OC last week too. Let me see what that one. If he can get, where's that? How to do a cab roll. Transfers. Backside 720. Hit the bridge. One of these. How to do an air rally. That's a really good one. This is my favorite trick.
Okay, 44 pages. Promise you.
Let's see if I can get Jason's ad going. There's Ross. Look, here's Ross's ad. And Ross is giving it for free too now.
You're invited. My name is Ross Cameron, and I'm the author of the best-selling book titled How to Day Trade, Warrior Trading. In a free exclusive webinar this week, I'm going to teach everyone who attends.
What is up, y'all? Today, I'm going to teach any slack before you get on your edge. Just sort of progressively get into my body.
Watch the air rally.
Maybe edge you to get your air time.
You don't want to get the instruction, you want to see the action.
The air at this point.
Oh, he's maybe hurt, so he's not doing it.
Already drifted out. Bend your knees.
Free download courses, here's the air rally. Beautiful.
And yeah, that's how you do the air rally. If you guys want to put any comments below on maybe any advice for people to try on their first try, that is perfectly okay because
Let's get a video on my trading. Like this, and see if we get one from, what's his name?
Right now, try to take it up.
No. Bass Pro intro. Let's see. Let's watch this one. Not starting them over though.
Get free trading education. Become the next.
About
Right now, try to take it up.
those are good videos, man. How about we watch this one?
Self-driving cars are really big at CES this year, but one stands out in particular to me.
Oh well. I tell you, I did see it. MTech 410, Ulta back to 237.54. Do another trade on it at 237.51 stopping station. Go ahead. Entry. Entry. If it goes lower, we wait to even 235. We'll sell it at 237.20. 237.35. Sell for the rebuy under 237. Big time wait. That'll be the play. Very low risk, very high reward. AKTX, nothing across the top. Nice. Let's see. How about David OC? See what he's done. One day ago, Rider of the Year.
Lads, lassies, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today, welcome to a random video. So basically, we're in my house. I never really show where I live, but this is where I live, and this video is not about that. And this video is to ask you a massive favor. So basically, as you may win, and my favor to you is you have to agree to get rid of that cookies thing. This video is rushed. And maybe
he wants to be voter of the year for Rider of the Year. He is. Him and JB, man. Here's the link if you want to go watch his videos in JB and vote for them guys. How to weight a wakeboard properly. He's good, man, this guy. How slow can I do a rally? Showing Marhit riding, this is a good one.
I've got 3 really important questions that you need to be able to answer. First,
Here's another guy.
All right, hello everybody. This is Mike Racy. I am the lead options instructor here at Netflix, and I have a really exciting free offer for you here today. I was actually challenged by one of my students a few weeks back who was looking for an exact list of products that you could start trading immediately. So what I did is I went back through and took a look at every single trade.
237.43. You see it changing up there? 46. That's how I was trading all day. Stock's down 100 points.
And the best move for
Here he is. Look.
I'm Jeff Bishop. I'm the co-founder of RagingBull.com. I'm one of the world's top real money stock option traders. And today I want to share with you something that I was told many years ago. That is that if you want to be in the top 1%, you cannot keep doing the things that 99% are doing every single day.
Yep.
That means if you want to make more money, if you want to be rich like you know you can be, then you cannot keep doing the same things that have gotten you here to where you are today.
It's not the one I saw. It was Jason. Holy crap. Wow. Look at that. Look at the air the guy got on this one. Very cool. Whoa, my goodness gracious, that thing was high. Look at him go back, tumble roll. Wow, that was badass. That's David OC. Whoa! And then he did a tumble turn too. Best riders in the world right here, guys. Very cool. See the last one. Badass. All right, Ulta 237.48, same thing, just chilling. And I'm just trading off these top bars right here. Alrighty. So you trade like a banshee and keep controlled stops on your trades and reprice at a different level because it ain't going to be coming back. The people that own this at 241, it ain't coming back. You needed to sell at a loss when it went down towards 240 and reprice it and rebuy it down here. And if you didn't do that, you pretty much stuck and you weren't able to make it past probably the 7th trade. AKTX is 210, traded a lot today, 12 million. MTC's 405. Swing trading channel, nothing's going on pretty much there, except for this Roxy pick on Sunday, which I don't have up in there, but I should put it in there. ROX. Here's the buyout on Roxy. This pick went out Sunday night on August 25th. Sunday night Mojo swing trade pick at 70 cents. Looking for a move higher. And the stock got bought out at 126. Not too shabby. 88% gain. Not too shabby. Let's see what's happening on the Mojo website. Check out the blog. As today's post. This was a good one yesterday. Repetition's the key to mastery. How to day trade for a living. How to handle fake news. How to trade off level 2. And a lot of other great posts. September of 2015, we were talking about market makers and ECNs. Winning style. Do you have it or don't you? Some winners say it's impossible. Some say difficult but possible. See the gain, see the pain, possibilities and the problems. Very true. How to make a comeback. Mojo, big hero. The Mojo gold miners. Very nice post. Check it all out. Look at the tags. Spend some time educating yourself. Once you realize who the Mojo team is, you want to become a member. Until then, peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. If I have this impact, do I hit this line? No, video's unavailable. Unfortunately, it was a good video. I was going to end on that.